Hey, what's up? Okay, we have here a Lincoln Memorial Cent. Okay, I have some information about the 2006 Lincoln Memorial Cent. Okay, first, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty, 2006. Okay, United States of America, E pluribus unum, FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 2006 no mint mark Lincoln Memorial cents or Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Let's read the information I got. Okay? Okay. Here we go. You might think that with a mintage of over 4 billion, the 2006 no mint mark penny isn't a very rare or valuable coin. And it's true. The most 2006 pennies that you find in the pocket change are worth only face value or just 1 cent. However, uncirculated specimens that appear to be fresh from the mine and have no wear are typically worth 10 to 30 cents apiece. The most valuable 2006 no mint mark penny was graded by Professional Coin Grading Service as MS68RD and sold for $2,640 in a 2020 auction. Wow, $2,640 for 2006 no mint mark graded MS68RD. What about the MS69? Okay, let's read again the information that I got. Okay, you might think that with a mintage of over 4 billion, the 2006 no mint mark penny isn't a very rare or valuable coin. And it's true. Most 2006 pennies that you find in a pocket change are worth only